Do you ever feel like your online reputation is holding you back? In today's digital world, your online reputation can make or break your success, but fear not. We've got you covered with 5 game-changing tips to boost your online reputation to attract more users and customers. First is to ask users directly how they feel to identify pain points. Don't be afraid to ask your users directly how they feel about your product or service. Gathering feedback can uncover pain points that may be driving customers away. Second is keep an eye on online channels for mentions of your business. It's crucial to monitor online channels for any mentions of your business, whether it's on social media, forums, or review sites. Staying informed allows you to address both positive and negative feedback on time. Third is to observe users as they interact with your site to spot UX issues. Additionally, take the time to observe how users interact with your website. This can help you identify any usability issues or friction points that may be hindering the user experience. Fourth is to respond to negative reviews promptly and professionally. When it comes to negative reviews, it's essential to respond promptly and professionally. Addressing concerns publicly shows that you value feedback and are committed to resolving issues. Fifth and last, share customer reviews and testimonials across your channels to gain trust. Finally, leverage the power of customer reviews and testimonials by sharing them across your marketing channels. Positive feedback builds trust and credibility, making it more likely for potential customers to choose your business. Now that you have these valuable tips, it's time to implement them. Start by implementing one strategy today and see the difference it can make. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and remember, your online reputation is key to attracting more users and customers. See you in my next video.